seems to be working fine and utility bills are reasonable, a maintenance program can start to feel like a luxury you can do without until things turn around. It's true. These equipment and systems are built to last a certain amount of time and they are built to run efficiently. But just like every other mechanical machine in your daily life, such as your car, your phone, or even your coffee maker, these all require a certain level of upkeep, otherwise they start leading to breakdowns or worse, fail completely. And at that point, they're well beyond maintaining and you're facing a full replacement. This is one of the best benefits of a long-term preventative maintenance program. Not only will they help you reach your full life expectancy for your equipment and systems, but oftentimes it will help you exceed them, saving you money in the long run. So take this package unit behind me for instance. On average, this piece of equipment has a life expectancy of around 15 years. So say for whatever reason it failed 3 years early. Not only did you just lose 20% on your original investment, but you've probably noticed an increase in your utility bills as well, or maybe didn't notice at all. Now consider this piece of equipment being under a long-term preventative maintenance program that not only seeks to meet the life expectancy, but exceed it by 3 years and save you energy costs all in the same process. For all of you finance minds out there, that is a total cost savings of 6 years. So not only did that maintenance program pay for itself, but it saved you money in the long run. And that's what we mean when we say to take all of the long-term benefits and consequences for short-term decisions about your facility maintenance program. So before you decide to cut your maintenance program, take into consideration the true cost of that decision and work with a trusted advisor like us, who will work with you to meet your budget and facility health goals. No two facilities are the same, which is why we pride ourselves on providing solutions for each individual client situation, meaning that we will work with you to create a custom preventative maintenance program that works for your situation.
To learn more about topics like this, check out some of our other videos. And for answers to any questions around your facility needs, contact us at southlandind.com/let's talk.